Alright, now that you've got steering and lane discipline down, it's time for real-world driving, handling traffic in intersections. Driving in traffic can feel overwhelming at first, but with patience and awareness, you'll navigate it smoothly. Keycap 1 Basic Rules for Driving in Traffic. Checkmark. Keep a safe following distance. 1. Maintain a 2-3 second gap from the car in front. 2. In slow-moving traffic, keep a car's length distance for safety. Checkmark. Stay in your lane. 1. Stick to one lane unless overtaking. 2. Avoid unnecessary lane changes. Frequent switching can cause accidents. Checkmark. Use indicators properly. 1. Signal at least 3 seconds before turning or changing lanes. 2. Don't assume other drivers will understand your move. Always check mirrors before acting. Light bulb pro tip. Keep your eyes scanning the road ahead, not just on the car in front. This helps anticipate stops and slowdowns early. Keycap 2 Stop and Go Traffic. How to drive smoothly in heavy traffic. You'll stop and move repeatedly. Here's how to avoid jerky driving. Checkmark. Use the clutch correctly. Press it fully before stopping to avoid stalling. Checkmark. Move slowly in first gear. No need to accelerate hard in slow-moving traffic. Checkmark. Avoid excessive braking. Maintain a steady pace to prevent sudden stops. Light bulb pro tip. If stuck in a traffic jam, use the half-clutch technique. Press the clutch halfway while moving slowly, to prevent stalling. But don't overuse it, as it wears out the clutch. Keycap 3 Handling intersections and junctions. Intersections are where many accidents happen. Always follow these steps. Push pin approaching an intersection. Checkmark. Slow down and be ready to stop, even if you have the right of way. Checkmark. Look both ways. Even at green signals, check for unexpected vehicles. Checkmark. Use indicators. Signal your turn well in advance. Push pin at a traffic signal. Checkmark. Red light. Stop behind the stop line, not in the middle of the road. Checkmark. Yellow light. Prepare to stop, don't rush through. Checkmark. Green light. Move ahead carefully, checking for pedestrians and cross traffic. Push pin uncontrolled intersections, no signals. Checkmark. Give right of way to traffic from the right, as per Indian rules. Checkmark. Slow down and proceed cautiously. Assume other drivers might not stop. Light bulb pro tip. At a four-way intersection, if two cars arrive at the same time, the car on the right gets priority. Always be extra careful with motorcycles and pedestrians. Keycap 4 Navigating roundabouts. Roundabouts are common in India. Follow these rules. 1. Give way to traffic already in the roundabout. 2. Stay in the correct lane based on your exit. 3. Signal left only when exiting the roundabout. Let's practice. Stop sign exercise 1. Drive in slow-moving traffic, keeping a steady pace without sudden stops. Stop sign exercise 2. Approach a stop sign or traffic light, come to a smooth stop, and move again without stalling. Stop sign exercise 3. Practice entering and exiting a roundabout safely. What's next? Great! Now that you can handle traffic, we'll move to lesson 7. Parking techniques, parallel and reverse parking. Let's get you parking like a pro. Car parking.